test driving our 1983 Porsche 911 SC Cabriolet. This particular Porsche is a one-owner car. Comes to us still on the original title. It has an original 37,000 miles, so it's a very low mile example and a very original example as well, with very few changes since factory. It does have an aftermarket stereo. It does have aftermarket BBS wheels that are period correct for the car. I'd say probably about 90% original paint, and it reported to us that it's an all original drivetrain. This car presents very, very nicely with no rust issues. The pans are in excellent condition. Everything's functioning on the car except for the clock. All the gauges are working. It's showing very good oil pressure. Temperature gauge seems to be fairly accurate. It's moving as the car warms up. The car starts beautifully. Transaxle's tight. Shifts very well. Clutch feels good. Suspension is very tight. And it handles like you would expect a 911 to handle. This gives you that kind of little bit of a go-kart feel. Nice tight suspension. It is still a 1983, which is 37 years old. So it's not quite the technology that we have today, but still handles very well even for today's standards. The convertible top is in excellent condition. The car still retains the original boot and tool package. So it has all the original tools, and I know in the tool case it still had the original Porsche touch-up paint that came with the car. There's 55, 60 miles per hour. Very smooth. Of course, I'm not taxing the car by any means, performance-wise. Wants to perform, you know, very casually up to 60 miles per hour, no issues through all 5 gears. The car cruises very nicely at 60 miles per hour, retaining good oil pressure. Hard to find these Porsches in this